Hello and welcome to this KardiaChain tutorial. My name is Rami and today I'm going to show you a few tests so that you can do an ETH versus Kai cost comparison. So the first thing we're going to do is actually head over to KardiaChain.io and we're going to see this beautiful chart here which compares KardiaChain to Bitcoin, Ethereum and Polkadot. Now the first category is transactional throughput. We can see that KardiaChain can handle 10,000 transactions per second versus Bitcoin at 7, Ethereum at 14, and Polkadot at 1,500. Transaction finality, which is how long it takes to confirm a contract or transaction on a blockchain, Kai is sitting at less than 5 seconds. And then if we head down here, we look at the transactional fee, and while Polkadot is coming in at a low $3 per transaction, it's not even close to KardiaChain, which is a fraction of a penny. When trying to make a decision as to which blockchain you should use for your smart contract or your dApp, this type of information can be invaluable. So let's take it a step further. We'll head over to remix.ethereum.org. I do have this sample contract, which basically contains 4 functions, 2 getters and 2 setters, get name and get age, which will return these 2 state variable values, and set name and set age, which will write values to the blockchain. The first test we're going to perform will be to deploy this smart contract onto the Ropsten testnet, one of Ethereum's test networks. So we'll compile our contract, head over to the deploy tab, verify the environment is injected Web3 and that is our account, and we can do that by clicking on MetaMask here. We can see we are on the Ropsten test network and that is our test account. We'll double check that our contract is selected and we'll click deploy. So MetaMask will come up and it's telling us the fee to deploy this smart contract onto the Ethereum Ropsten test network is $1.04 at this time of day. So we'll click confirm. And the second test we want to do is actually write data to the blockchain in order to see what that transaction fee would be like. So we'll run the set age function. And we can see the value there of the transaction fee is 13 cents. So we'll confirm that. So we're looking at $1 and about 13 cents, depending on whether we're deploying or writing data. And there it's come back, it is complete. So I have edited this video in order to keep it as short as possible. However, when you do run this test yourself, you can also take a look and see the transaction finality, meaning how long does it actually take for it to come back and tell you that it has completed. So now what we'll do is repeat these 2 tests using the KardiaChain testnet. So to do that, we're going to switch over to KardiaChain testnet. And we're going to select our KardiaChain test account. Okay. And so we will verify that that is our test account. Our contract is selected and we will click deploy. So you can see to deploy a smart contract onto the KardiaChain testnet comes at a fee of what appears to be 0 cents. Now the actual value is 0.000433129 Kai. Kai at the moment is sitting at about 1.3 cents. So we'll click confirm. And so it has come back and we can see it sitting down here. And so we will set the age once again. And as well for writing values onto the blockchain, we can see that on the KardiaChain testnet, the value is also sitting at what appears to be 0 cents. However, it is more like 0.00004193, once again, times a value of about 1.3, which is the value of Kai at this time. And we'll click confirm. So as you can see, even though we are running on test networks, the KardiaChain testnet fees were much lower than the Ropsten test network. And we do know that in production, Ethereum's transaction fees are much higher. So I hope you enjoyed this short demonstration. If you liked the video, drop us a like or leave us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.